This is a short video on how to mount your wall mounted electric fireplace. Most of the time these brackets that come with these kits do not have the holes spaced out 16 inches, so you can't grab the studs. So either you're gonna have to drill new holes on it to install, and even when you do that, when you put it on the wall, it might not correspond with the studs on the wall. So what I do is usually get a piece of lumber that spans enough that I can grab a few studs. Like I have one here, one in the middle, and one on the end. Now I know that piece of lumber is secured to the studs. Now I can use the bracket. Don't have to drill any new holes. I could put it on that piece of lumber, center it where I want it, which will give me enough to center it with the room. Now once this bracket is secured to that lumber is secured to the studs, you're all ready to go. And this piece of lumber, you won't even see it because it'll be behind the fireplace. So this is one of my tricks, and I'm sure many others know about this. It would help you so you can hang it. I recommend not to use the anchors that come with the kits, and do not just install it on the sheetrock. It will fall out. It will be dangerous. You need to grab into the studs, wood studs, metal studs, concrete. Do not just rely on the sheetrock. Hope this helps.